You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Monkey Crypto 90. In this video, guys, I have a good update for you, for everybody. For be that you are in crypto, you are doing betting, maybe you are doing sports betting. This update is for you. Or you are into any of financing, trading stock, any other things like that. This is for you. This is for you. You are if you are good in social media, entertainment, culture, politics, economy, technology. If you are current in those areas, this video is for you. So what is this video? This is base market. This is base market. This is the largest prediction, or let me say predicting market right now in Nigeria and all over the world. Yes, in Nigeria, and currently in Nigeria is the biggest right now because uh others are predicting markets. You cannot use naira to predict there, but in this one you can use naira to predict, and also you can use dollar to also predict. You can deposit in dollar and you can also deposit in naira. As you can see, I'm in Nigeria, so I deposit with naira. You can deposit as low as 500 naira and start predicting. You can start predicting as low as 100 naira on this platform. You can deposit as low as 500 naira and start predicting as low as 100 naira on this base market, and their withdrawal is very fast. Both the deposit and the withdrawal land in your account within 2 seconds. Yes, within 2 seconds. You get me right. Within 2 seconds. So where should I start? Should I start with depositing, or let me teach you how the platform work? For example, this is a predictive platform where you predict maybe a market will go up or down. Let me use this as an example. This is Bitcoin up or down 15 minutes right now. So as you can see, you can predict on this one and start this market right now. It end in 8 minutes, so let me just enter it. Let me just click on it. As you can see, as I click on it right now, just click on it and let's see something. So for example, they are asking us if Bitcoin is going to be above this price here, 60,594, and as you can see, the current price is 60,656 right now. And 2 minutes ago, when I check it here, I can still use 500 naira to get up to 700 naira within this time frame. Within this time frame, I can still use it to get 700 naira within this time frame. That is a profit of 200 naira plus with 500 naira. As you can see, people have already rushed in already right now. You can see the price, the buy up is now at 80 something percent, 90 something percent right now, 92%, and you can see the buy down right now is still below this. So for example, let's say if I want to continue with this buy up, I don't think right now I will make a profit because a lot of people have rushed inside it right now. More people that supposed to put their money on here have put here, so the profit will be below. But for example, let's say by miracle, crypto is volatile, it can go up and come down. By miracle, and I go with this one, and as people already in here, and I go with this one, and before this time end, this price here go below this one, that means I'm going to earn a lot of money. Let me do example for you. I will not buy, but let me do example. For example, I want to buy up, which all of them are buy. So for example, I input 500 naira. That 500 naira will only give me 34 naira because a lot of people are already there right now. So go with down. For example, let's say I just go with down with 500 naira. That down with 500 naira will give me 2009. Yes, 3,183. That is because a lot of people have rushed to that up, and as you can see, 3,400. So that is an opportunity, but for me with you, I will rather go with where people rush to, because uh that shows the market is doing well in that place. So, and nobody want to go with loss. Everybody wants profit. But this is a market of volatility. It can go down any moment. It can go down any moment. That is crypto for you. It can go down any moment. And with that 500 naira, you get 3,400 naira. That is a profit of 2,900 naira. Like that. As you can see, this one did not show you a lot of profit because it's already 99% already. Let me find a market that is still fair. Let me still find a market that is still fair. For example, let me go with this Ethereum right now. Let me go with this Ethereum. As you can see, this Ethereum still has about 19 minutes to end. 19 minutes, almost 20 minutes. It's going to end by 9 p.m. GMT. So you're gonna just convert it to the dual this thing. That is around 10 something. That is around 10 o'clock. Yes, around 10 o'clock PM. So for example, let's go down here. Let's see something. You can see the buy power here is 56. The buy power here is 46. So let's see something. With our 500 naira, we can still go higher. We can still earn. You can see with my 500 naira, I can still earn 866 naira with this in this market. With 500 naira, you can still earn up to that. Let me see whether they accept 100 naira on this market here. Let's see. So the minimum is 500 naira. You can see they wrote it up. That is 500 naira. If I go with buy low here, buy no here, with 500 naira, I can still earn up to 900 naira. You can see up to 900 naira. So this is the market I'm talking about. You can see the buy percent is still at 54%. You can see they are telling us if Ethereum is going to go above this price, 1,554.55 dollars, and right now the price is at 1,555.17. Right now it's above it. So it's above it. And one thing is that, let me tell you something, let me show you something. In case if you buy something, if you buy this, buy at yes in this way, maybe you buy with this, maybe you buy this 850, you buy at 850 right now, you buy at 500, and you want to earn a profit of 850. Maybe you buy right now. As you can see, it has moved to 60 and come back to 59. Maybe many people now rush to it after you already bought it at this 50 something, and it goes to 70 something or 80. You can quickly sell it before this time end. You can quickly sell it before this time end and take your profit and your capital. So that is the one good thing about this platform. That is one good thing about this platform. And you can trade a lot of things. You can trade a lot of things. You can trade with World Cup if you are good. If you are into football, you can go with World Cup, so something like this. Bruno Fernandes, so something like this. Declan Rice, Erling Haaland. You can you can trade with any of this. Real Madrid announced Jose Mourinho before June 10. Many people said no. Right now, many people said no. June 10, and this is June 6. So many people said no. You can just predict this one for grant, and maybe tomorrow this 58 you see here can go to 60, can go to 60. You can take your profits and get out of the this thing, of the game, of the of the market. You can get out of it immediately. Just go through the platform, finance, sport. This is sport, many things, many things like that. You can go with them. They have 5 minutes, they have 15 minutes, because I think their 5 minutes is 15 minutes is the one currently working most right now, because this is a new platform, this is a new company, and they are very reliable. They are very reliable. Withdraw takes seconds, deposit takes seconds. So let me show you how to make your deposit in case you're interested. This is how to make your deposit. Come here. This That is your wallet, that is your portfolio, that is your profile. You can click here. For example, this is my portfolio right now. You can see. Let me check in again. Let me go to my wallet. So this is my wallet right now. You can see my payout. You can see that I've been taking a this thing on it. I've been making predicting on it. If I withdraw right now, in seconds I'm going to get the money into my account. For example, I want to make a deposit. Click on deposit. This is how you make your deposit. The minimum you can deposit is 200 naira. 200 naira, very reliable. 200 naira, just input your 200 naira or 5k, any amount you want to deposit, but the minimum is 200 naira. Just click on proceed. As you click on proceed to pay. When you click on proceed to pay, they are going to show you the account you are making a payment to. This account will change all the time, so remember, do not save this account as it expires in 30 minutes. Transfer only us and only from a bank account that matches your verified name. So I also going to tell you what they mean right here: account that matches your verified name. Because as you are registering on this platform, you are going to verify your account also. You are going to verify account with your NIN, maybe your NIN or your BVN, just to verify your account, to do your KYC. So just transfer the money into this account. This is it, PalmPay. Transfer the money into it, then click on I have made the payment. That is all. Immediately you come back here and click on I have made the payment. Immediately the money will appear in your wallet. Here you are going to see your balance. You are going to see your balance. If you are interested in making payment through US dollar, you can see this is the account I should have make a payment to right now. They still write it here for me that I have pending payment. This one that I'm making the video right now. So for example, let's say you want to make payment for USD. Let's US dollar. Let's do it this way. Click up here at this up. I mean up here. Just click up here. So immediately you click up, then it will show this here. Just click on US wallet. Just click on it. That is it. Deposit. But it's like they are still making a progress here. They are still making this place is still on progress. Let me click on it because it's been 3 days before I click on the deposit here to try it out. So right now, no address. That means they are still doing something. They are still making maintenance. Yeah, I can't say maintenance because they just add up crypto wallets recently, so they are still doing something on it to make it legit, to make it okay for everybody, so that everybody can use it. So but for now you can only use naira to deposit. Right now you can only deposit with naira and make a bet with naira. So let me just go and make a bet right now before the time runs out. So another one has started. That one, they win it. So let me find another market right here. Let me just find another market. This one is already at 88 something. So as you can see, assuming I make this bet, I take this bet that time, I can just come here right now and sell it off. If I don't want to wait for it to end, I can just sell it off. Remember, it was at 50, I think 54 here right now that time, and right now is now at 86. I can just sell it off immediately and take my money. I would have earned a lot of money. I would have earned a lot of money. So if I say I should enter it right now, I will not make up to that one that I make that time, but I will still make up to 700 naira, 700 naira. That is profit of 200 naira compared to that one almost 1000 naira, which is 900 plus. So that is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to check the description or the first comment section. You will see the registration link there. Just click on it, tap on it, register with your email, and also register with the with this invitation code you see on the screen. Just use the invitation code you see on the screen to register, then boom, start making money. Start making money. No time for dolly. Start making money. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Goodbye for now.